But as a technophobe, I do appreciate that we need people smarter than me who can look at how we embrace technology to our advantage. So tonight we're joined by Alexia from PHA in New Zealand and Graham Atkinson, who actually have the smarts to do just that. Are you there, Alexia?
Yeah, I'm here. Hi.
Tell us what you're up to in the world of technology.
Hi, everybody. It's amazing to be here amongst so many wonderful supporters of the People's Health Alliance. I've, as a coordinator for PHA in New Zealand and as someone who loves finding solutions to the issues we face today, I've been delving a little into some of the emerging technological opportunities that may be useful to us at the PHA. Tech that will help us in our continuing efforts to build a resilient and decentralised parallel system. We have been looking into ways to use these emerging new tools proliferating in the Web3 and blockchain space, tools that can be used to our advantage, building and creating hubs and helping them thrive. Ways to connect, barter, and exchange between and within hubs, and to do so privately. Exploring ideas like creating our own People's Health Alliance coin or a token, or even having distinct bioregional currencies able to be swapped between regions and countries, using tokenization for affordable fractional ownership of our very own hub real estate, and organizing all this on our own PHA and PFFA decentralized apps, DApps as they call them. These are the amazing possibilities now open to us all. I've been fortunate to have found like-minded, resilience-focused people who are creating the tools and platforms that can assist us and collaborate. Platforms like Local Scale that facilitate bioregional currencies have integrated marketplaces, farmers markets, and tools for things like heritage, seed saving, and swapping, all in one place with an interoperable wallet. Their friends at hypha.earth offer free tools and guidance to grow our mycelium network of organisations. They have assisted our small core team at PHA New Zealand to launch and trial our own DAO, a decentralised autonomous organisation, also on the blockchain, to help us with transparency, openness, record keeping, and coordination in this new paradigm structure. There is a new uncensorable social media, proliferating in this space too. Things like Nostr, where people run their own node servers and retain control of their own data, earning Bitcoin for content. It's a new world, a new Aquarian world. The cypherpunk developers, philosopher guardians of our fundamental right to privacy and sovereignty, are all figuring workarounds to everything the technocrats throw at us. It is well worth utilising Web3 things, the decentralised Aquarian internet that so aligns with the ethos of the People's Health Alliance. Let's see how it can help us facilitate and scale the PHA vision of connection, freedom, and choice for the people, by the people. These are the possibilities, opportunities, and continuing work for us on the roadmap for 2025. Thank you.
Thank you, Alexia. And do you know, I just love the fact that you're in New Zealand and you're going to be steering this exploration of what this can mean for PHA as a whole international family. So, you know, it's the whole community thing, isn't it? We started in the UK, we expanded and spread, and now we can share projects and work together for global solutions. So it's really exciting. Graham, where's Graham?
I'm here.
Are you going to tell us about our conscious path?
I am, yes. So, evening, everybody. Thank you for having me, Lisa. So, yeah, what I've got to let you know about is a new development which fits very much into what Alexia was just talking about, really, which is decentralized blockchain connections for our community. So I'm working together with 2 other people in the UK and 3 Australians actually, and we are in the process of establishing a website which will eventually move into the blockchain. The movement is called Our Conscious Path, and it essentially will be a safe private place for communities to connect across the world. So it is essentially a digital platform to help people come together to exchange information in a safe place. It will be not capable of being taken down or tampered with or censored in any way. There will be content hosted on the site. There'll be interesting interviews, podcasts, videos, other resources. Practitioners will be able to, if they've not got their own website, they could easily host their service, if you like, in this domain. So the 6 of us are very much coming from the spiritual quantum space. I myself started as very much a Newtonian pharmacist in the NHS in the UK, and I've completely transitioned out and into the sort of spiritual quantum space. So we are going to launch the website in beta on Valentine's Day, with a view to launching publicly on 21st of March, the spring equinox. So we very much see ourselves as enablers of pretty much everything that you've heard about today. I'm greatly humbled to be following all these great speakers, and because whilst a lot of us want to build in the real world, myself included, I think my skills are actually helping other people do that. So I've very much got a strategic sort of ex-commissioning expertise from the English NHS. I know how the allopathic system doesn't work, and I want to help build the alternative. So I'm done with shouting at the old world. I want to, as Tess was saying, put most of my energy into building the new world. So that's what the Our Conscious Path movement is all about. And we welcome partnering with the PHA and any other organisation that wants to utilise this space. We probably eventually see it actually folding into a bigger collection. You know, we don't see this standing alone forever. We think it's possibly a placeholder which will eventually become subsumed into whatever we build together in this wonderful community that we're all part of. So thank you for listening. Thank you for the invitation.
And thank you for doing this techie stuff that I couldn't even begin to dip a toenail into. It just horrifies me, but it's great to know we've got you guys on the case.